What's up, y'all? It's your girl Terri. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to take you along with me. So we are adding a new item to our Instacart must-have, y'all. Yes. So today I'm going to be using the Lotus Trolley Bags to go shopping order. I want to take you along with me so you can see exactly how to use it. They are amazing bags so far. I have not used them, so it's the very first time. So I want y'all to go along with me while I shop using them. So the Lotus Trolley Bags, right? So they are 100% reusable bags. So it eliminates the need for one-time plastic bags. So like many of us, we need to be a little more eco-friendly, right? And so the Lotus Trolley Bags allow us to do so. And then also, if you are an Instacart shopper like myself, you can actually tote these and do multiple orders. It's a nice little organizer. It comes with a insulated bag as well as different slots for eggs and wine, okay? And also there are some produce bags. I'll show you that too. So there are different size produce bags. I know actually looking at the demonstration is better. So different size produce bags. So I don't know about you, but I've had an instance where, you know, you get like 5 or 6 apples or whatever, and you're trying to put it in those flimsy plastic bags, right? And then they tear. No, so you don't have to worry about that with these actual extremely durable mesh produce bags. And they are washable. So you can wash these in case, you know, they get soiled or something. And also the bags, they are washable as well. So I got my fanny pack. I'm gonna grab my Lotus bags, my produce bags, and we about to go. Okay, let's go. All right, y'all. So we are headed to a new store because the store I was at wasn't getting any orders. So we are headed to another Food Lion, just accepted a batch. It's like 12 items. So yeah, so I'll be able to show you all how to use the trolley bags in a second. All right, so we just delivered the groceries. So as you can see by the video, so using the trolley bags was a great help. It kept everything organized within the cart. The insulated bag part was a nice feature as well. And then you saw the eggs and then the wine. So at the hard day of Instacart, if you are doing your personal shopping, you can use the trolley bags and make sure your wine is secure, right? So I actually follow this up and show you all the actual sizes of the bags as well. All right, so this is actually the biggest of the 4 bags here, so which is your purple bag. So like I mentioned before, you can use all 4 of the bags together, or you can use them individually separately. And if you don't want to actually use it as a cart organizer, these nice little rod things here, they actually come out. So you can use it just as your regular standard tote bag. And then also when it comes to machine washing, you can remove the rods as well, so you can wash the bags too if they do get soiled. So that is your purple bag. That's your purple bag. And then you also have a teal color bag here as well, which is nice bag, nice vibrant color. I'll show you the inside. And this one has an insulated inside. So of course with this one, you won't actually put this in the machine, the washing machine, to wash it, but just to clean a wipe with like a, you know, a disinfectant wipe would be sufficient for you to wash that bag out. So that's that one. And then you have a smaller one here. This is your blue bag. And then lastly, you have just a tan. And then all of the bags, like I said, all of the bag rods removed too as well. So Lotus Sustainable, they are doing an amazing job with tackling plastic waste for the world. So it's important, like I said, it's important for us to do our part as well. So I encourage you to join in. And if you would like to purchase the Lotus Trolley Bags as well as the produce bags, I'll put the links in the description below so you can be able to purchase them. And let me know if you are a shopper or if you just want to purchase the bags just for your own personal use. I like them. I love the quality of them. They seem very, very durable. Like I said, it was my first time shopping with them, but I like them so far. As me being an Instacart shopper, I didn't shop a multiple order, but I can see how this will come in handy with multiple batch orders and keeping those 2 orders separated. And then also, you know, it's eco-friendly. We have to do our part with making sure that we are using as less plastic as possible. So thank you to Lotus Sustainables for sending me these trolley bags as well as the produce bags, so I can use them for my own personal shopping experience as well as my future Instacart orders. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Hopefully you enjoyed shopping along with me, doing that order and using our trolley bags. If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so you can join the Terri's Tribe. We catching a major vibe because we're coming back with another video. Let's go.